welcome back to another lippy review. So today we're doing one from Tarte, and it's from their Rainforest of the Sea collection, and this is the Color Splash lipstick in the color Cha-Cha. It looks like they have probably quite recently discontinued this, but they're still sold other places, like Sephora, Ulta, Amazon. They're still selling them, but yeah, I got this in that, what was it, when they do that deal every year around summer where they let you build your own kit. I got it in that, so it's still pretty new, but apparently they did discontinue it. But it looks like it costs $22 retail, if you're curious about that. But yeah, let me show you the tube on this thing. It is absolutely freaking gorgeous. It is like turquoise marble, which is like what I wanted from my bathroom. I ended up with like baby blue marble, because my dad was like, yeah, how about not so bold. So if it had been up to me, it would have looked a lot like this though. But anyway, it is a lipstick as stated in packaging. Here's the color, which I am all about, you guys know. I'm not 100% thrilled on the quality of the packaging. I'm wondering if that has anything to do with that buyout of Tarte. Since it seems like, yeah, they have more bells and whistles, but the quality is taking a nosedive, which kind of sucks. Like, this top lip of the tube is really, like, sharply cut, like, almost rough. Like, it almost hurts your finger to run across it. So that's, like, already an issue with it. But it doesn't really snap shut. Like, it does a little, but, like, not nearly as much as most lip products do, and that concerns me about keeping the quality intact while it's in between uses. Like, you barely even, like, hit the cap wrong and it comes off, so it's like, that to me, that, especially for the price point, that is a big oversight. So, there's that. Plus, when you roll it up, like, you can hear these weird clicks inside of it. It almost feels like as if there were a spring action in there somewhere, which there's not. But it concerns me of, is this going to break at some point? Because it feels like something's, like, off with it. I have never had another lipstick ever do that. It almost sounds like you can audibly hear a click like you would from a spring. So I don't even know what's up with that, but it worries me. So that just, in amongst the packaging issues, I'm counting that all as one thing. So size-wise, this contains 0.12 ounces, so it's like a standard lipstick size. Nothing new, nothing exciting there. It is synthetic. I mean, it's lipstick. Pretty much all are, but every once in a while you run across one that isn't, but yeah, your ingredients list. I'm not going to read them all off, but yeah, those are all ingredients. So, there's that. It is vegan. I am not seeing a leaping bunny, though. Oh, wait, yes, there is. I take it back. It wasn't on the same site as everything else. It is there. They are cruelty-free. Don't take me out of context. Sorry. Didn't see it initially. Anyway. It's not part of a set. It was part of a line. I don't know how many colors there originally were, though, because without it on the Tarte website, I can't get a good read on that because different retailers have different colors that are on there listed, so I don't know how many there were total. I can't really say it's limited edition, it's just discontinued. It's not medicated, no SPF, no special features, no scent to it. It doesn't even, like, have the lipstick smell or anything, so it's, like, truly scentless, like, fragranceless. Oh, I meant to grab a tissue so I can blot it. Okay, 1 second. Okay, got my tissue. So now I'm going to swatch on the hand first before putting it on proper. Let's move my tissue out of the way. I don't want to, like, screw up the nice curve on it, but I know I'm going to. So 1 swipe gives you this, which is nice, but then, like, built up. Oh, yeah. So, like, you can get a bit of an array out of that. But anyway, let me grab my mirror. You know, now that I'm seeing it on, it's more of like a deep salmon than like a red. Like, I'm not mad at it. It's just weird because I totally thought that was going to be a red. Now I'm seeing it, I'm like, no, it's not. No, it's not. Okay, so let me do a quick blot. Because this helps lock in the color when you do this. Also mattifies it, which I'm not as wild about, but it does help lock it. I like it to have at least a little bit of that luster, so I'm not going to blot a second time. But if you really want to stay put, blot a second time. Okay. Let me just fix up, keep it bow. Yeah, I can tell already. This one's going to have issues with feathering. Fair warning. If you have any kind of like fine lines around your lips starting, you may have issues with this one feathering. So I'm going to hit stop just to take a quick thumbnail picture, and then we will continue the review. Okay, so it's actually really, really lightweight, which I'm surprised by. There is a slight tackiness to it, so that is something to be noted. But otherwise, consistency is about what you would expect from a normal non-matte lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the kiss test, even though we know it's going to transfer like a biatch. Oh yeah, like barely touched. Yeah, so just might not want to do any smooching with this on, just saying. So let us go ahead and do the drink test. Let's see. So it not only stayed put, it didn't like smear all over my mouth or anything. I'm just drying off the tea. But okay. Alright, I respect it. I respect that. That's pretty good. So, alright, I think I will, in fact, give it the wow factor. But I'm trying to think, what am I going to rate this? The packaging issues, like, right off the bat, is a point off the top. Plus, price point-wise, for what it is, I feel like it's overpriced. I feel like $17 or $18 would have probably been a fairer price point for this product. Let's see. Obviously, transfers like a beast. Slight tackiness. I think, for me, it's gonna be a 6 out of 10, which is still slightly above average. It's not bad. It's definitely very usable, but I mean, there's other things I would rate higher, like quite a few things even, but I don't hate it, and I'm not mad at it, and I really do like the color, but there's ways I feel like it could have been better, and knowing that they discontinued it feels like a lazy cop-out for them. They just, like, didn't feel like putting in the effort. They're like, we'd rather just move on instead. It's like, oh, cool, okay then. You do you, Tarte. They're going to anyway, so. Anyway, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.